Okay, welcome to the part 2 of how to register for an account in Naira Cash Code. Now, if you have in a discount code, as I told you from our previous video, you can actually click here to enter your discount code. But since we are not using a discount code, all we need to do is to fill all our account information. This is actually what we shall be using to log into our account. And remember, your account username must be unique. So here I just enter a demo account. Then on the other box, which is the password, you need to enter a unique password that you'll be using to log into your account. So I'm just entering a password. Now here is for you to authenticate your email. You need to stay enter your email back, the one you entered on the previous form we are filling. So if you can remember, we use word-based communication tech at gmail.com. So I will still use the same email address, word-based communication tech at gmail.com. So always use this, because after you finish the form, will send you automatic message bearing both your invoice code and that of your username. So it's very important you fill a correct email, and it must be the same with the one you fill on the previous form. So here is to accept our terms and conditions. You can go through the terms and conditions to read more about it. So it's just a matter of you to kind of understand the program properly. Okay, so here I'll just click on this box to accept the terms and conditions. So you look at the form you have already filled, the last final form you filled. You can see the amount is 3,000 Naira. Okay, so after looking at everything, and if you have already an account, you can just log in here, but since we are just starting everything at fresh, so here I've read the terms and conditions. I've clicked on accept the agreement, so I will click submit and check out. So I will kind of wait for the computer to confirm my okay. I think that is good. So you can see, congratulations, you have just registered into Naira Cash Code membership program. I'm just stepping into your success and end of your financial struggle. So this is it, and then this is the important notes that you need to read from beginning to the end. So here are just some of the things that you need to have, important pages you may need to have. So here is how to read. To download your membership content, you read that. Then download your premium content by clicking here. Download your VIP content by clicking here. Drop your question on our forum by visiting our question and answer section, even on our blog section. So but if you come down a little bit, this is a place that is very important. So here is the invoice code. Invoice code. So you can see the invoice code, the system automatically assigned for me, and you can see it here. So here is the date I registered for this account. Excuse me. So here is the name of the account, which is demo, and then here's the email address, and then here is the membership level, which is Naira Cash Code, and the payment is by check, and the level is Naira Cash Code. You can see the amount. Okay, and then you can go to your membership account, but here you can actually print. Just click on print here to print this particular page and keep it for future references. So it's very important to go down to read all these things. So assuming you come here, you just need to, but before we go to our membership to check our membership account, we still need to log into our email to see the email that we have already sent to you once you have made your registration complete. So I just go to Gmail on Google Gmail, and then I enter my Gmail, which is word-based communication tech, and then I click next, just to confirm that the system has already emailed us a secure account information bearing both our username and that of our invoice code. So it's very important that you use a confirmed email address to a kind of use to create this account, because we're using it to forward any details that we seem that is very necessary for your account. Okay, so you don't just put any kind of email. So I'm loading my Gmail, just to confirm my registration. So here you can see it from here that Naira Cash Code Team, that's the first email. So I'll just click on that to confirm everything. So you can see the account is demo, the same thing, the membership level is this, and then the price for membership is 3,000 Naira. Now invoice is this. So you need to kind of save this somewhere, copy this invoice code, and then save it somewhere, because we need it, and even your username and then the password you use in creating the account. So here I can save it as a draft so that I shouldn't be forgetting anything. Okay, so I think that settled the issue of having creating the account. But let's just view our membership account. After creating your account, the next step is for you to view your membership account. So here, because of security reasons, again, we have already locked the membership section. So here you expected to enter the password to view your account. So here, and I'm just walking you through how the membership account section. So here is the navigation bar, user control panel, and then here you expected to enter a password we're going to be sending to you once you register here to access your profile. So here you can actually log out from this section. You can see welcome demo. This place is the name bearing your account. Okay, so I've just logged out, and then peradventure I really want to log in again. All I need to do is to enter my words, the name of my username, and then I will enter words my password. So once I logged in, we kind of access my, but you can see that after I logged in, you can see what the computer just sent for me. Account pending. The account is currently not active. An administrator needs to activate your account before you can log in. So you can see that after you have finished submitting the form, that does not give you the full right of ownership of your account. We really want to know that you actually fill in the form right, you have done everything right. So what we need to do is that we will authenticate your account, know whether everything you submit is correct. Once we discover everything is okay, we will kind of activate your account. So you can see that every registered member need to go through thorough scrutinization to know that everything you submitted there is actually correct, and to know you better. Okay, so this is what we help you to know that this program is actually a nice program, and we don't tolerate any fraud activities on our platform. An administrator need to go through your submitted form. Once everything is correct, we will activate your account, and once you come here to log in, either through here, here, logging in through here, or going to the upper section of the site and clicking on member login, you will not be having this kind of screen once your account is activated. And then there is a lot of things that we need to figure out to know whether you are actually doing the right thing. One is that people that don't want to clarify herself who brought her into the program. So you actually need to tell us all this informations, so that will enable us towards settle if peradventure somebody bring you into the program, we're able to give him or her his or her own commissions. And then other things like the form, you accept everything that is on the form section, and then if everything correct, we activate your account. And this activation of accounts take minimum of 30 minutes within the time you submitted it. So what we usually do is that we encourage our members that is coming in to register for the program that once we submit the form, you will actually give us a call, or you will actually give us a mail. You can see the means to call us. This is 081 36 Just give it a call, and then we follow you up from that section. Our team will definitely come and work for you, and we shall be sending you an automatic message that will bearing NCCP, automatic message. This message will welcome you by creating an account. We will equally use it to send you your invoice codes that will access your both your profile, just like you see previously, both your profile code and access code. All these will be sent to you across by our automated message. So I really want to tell you that this is one-time opportunity for you as a Nigerian to make ends meet. Naira Cash Code is a program that actually runs to alleviate you from any levels of success you may think about. Okay, we created this program with you in mind to make sure that you earn great. Okay, so I will encourage you, advise you, remember that this program is, any place you are in Nigeria, you can actually participate for the program. You can participate, you can take part of it. So it mustn't be in our state of resident like Enugu state. It can be in any part you are in Nigeria. Just log into our website by going to www.nairacashcode.com and then get started by filling a form. So you can see a lot of words, testimonies, even our members that have already registered. Okay, and then peradventure maybe you're having a problem and the cost of registration, just give us a call by calling our hotline on 081 36 36 7446, 081 36 36 7446. And if you have any problem in terms of registration, you can give us a call. Okay, and you can see from here you can actually register via text message. Just follow these instructions to get registered. So I think this is a place we're going to stop for now for this particular tutorials on how to register for an account in Naira Cash Code in 2016. In our first subsequent videos, we'll be showing more other things like how to actually access your account after you have getting activated and everything. So I would like you to keep in touch with us in our website, or visit our channel frequently to get more updates on YouTube to know more about this program. So I will encourage you, this program is legitimate. It is all that you need to make money in Nigeria in this year. So I will encourage you, and remember, it's not age restricted. Any person can participate, both male, female, you can participate, and we are not charging having any qualification. So far you are above 18 years, you are free, finish your secondary education, you can participate. A youth can participate, a staff in a particular company can participate, an undergraduate or a postgraduate can participate, a civil servant is welcome. So I think you actually need to rethink back. Remember, you only need to invest just 3,000 naira and you get all these benefits. As a matter of fact, on subsequent videos we are going to be highlighting most of the benefits you are going to get for just being a member of Naira Cash Code. I remain your coach, Mr. Shedrock, and then the managing director of this very great program. So I expect you to obtain your form immediately. Thank you, and God bless you for watching this.